Udah cukup selesai.
Hai, welcome back to my channel. Kembali lagi dengan Mama dan
Yonna.
Today we are going to learn Letterland. And today's topic is
Vicky Violet.
Vicky Violet. Who is this?
Vicky Violet.
Vicky Violet. Are you ready, Yonna?
I'm ready.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Who is this?
Vicky Violet.
Vicky Violet. Vicky Violet says Vicky Violet belongs to letter
V.
V. The sound of letter V is sound of letter V is what is this?
Violet.
Violet. What is this?
Violet.
Violet. What is this?
Violet.
Violet. What is this?
Vase.
What is this?
Vase.
Vase. What is this?
Van.
Van. What is this?
Van.
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 What is this?
Ukwali.
Valley.
Valley.
What is this?
Valley.
What is this?
Valley.
Valley. What is this?
Valley.
Valley. Today we are going to learn about new word from Vicky Violet. Vicky Violet says in words like volcano,
Volcano.
volcano,
Volcano.
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 What's the beginning sound of volcano?
Volcano.
What is this?
Volcano.
What is this?
Volcano.
What is this?
Volcano.
Volcano. Vicky Violet says in words like village,
Village.
village,
Village.
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 What's the beginning sound of village?
Village.
What is this?
Village.
Village. What is this?
Village.
Village. Vicky Violet says in words like vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
vinegar,
Vinegar.
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 What's the beginning sound of vinegar?
Vinegar.
What is this?
Vinegar.
What is this?
Vinegar.
What is this?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Vicky Violet says in words like vet,
Red.
vet,
Red.
vet,
Red.
vet.
Red.
What's the beginning sound of vet?
Red.
What is this?
Red.
Vet. What is this?
Red.
Vet. What is this?
Red.
Vet. Vicky Violet says in words like vulture,
Vulture.
vulture,
Vulture. Vulture.
vulture,
Vulture.
vulture,
Vulture. Vulture.
vulture,
Vulture. Vulture.
vulture,
Vulture.
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 What's the beginning sound of vulture?
Vulture.
What is this?
Vulture.
Vulture. What is this?
Vulture.
Vulture. Vicky Violet says in words like violin, violin. What's the beginning sound of violin?
Violin.
What is this?
Violin.
Violin. What is this?
Violin.
Violin. What is this?
Violin.
Violin. Good job. Okay, now please take the right card. Which character that has sound?
This is a Vicky Violet. Vicky Violet says.
Next, which character that has sound? Sound.
This is Eddie Elephant. Eddie Elephant says.
Which character that has sound? Sound.
This is a yellow yo-yo man. Yellow yo-yo man says yeah.
Which character that has sound? Sound.
Lucy Limelight.
Lucy Limelight says Which letter that has sound? Take the letter that has sound.
Letter L.
Letter
L.
L. What letter is this?
L.
L. Which letter that has sound?
Sound.
What letter is this? Letter V. Letter V. Which letter that has sound? Sound. What letter is this? Letter
S.
S. Okay, now we are going to make
Volcano.
volcano. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, to make volcano, we'll need flour, salt, baking soda, food coloring, vinegar, and vegetable oil, color tablet, butter, and water and bowl. Ngapain, Yon? Ngapain? Udah yuk. Okay friends, that's all for today. See you on our next video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel YouTube. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.